I want to record myself burping. Hold on. Let it settle in my belly. So, Allie, how would you rate my burps on a scale of 1 to 10? Well, I would say they are a 20.
Out of 100.
Out of 10.
I need to lie down.
Laying down on the floor.
Yeah. I'm tired. You did not see it.
So,
Yeah.
hold on. It's still grooving in my belly. Let me get another drink. Mmm.
Get away from me.
Hi, Fluey. Hi, Fluey boy. Hi, Fluey. Oh, no. It's okay. I held it in. Hold on. There's more to come. Say, ooh, la la.
Get away from me.
Oh, hi, Bella.
Don't come near me.
Say, ooh. Give me a song to sing in the meantime. Watch me while I bleed. On my windows still broken, but I'm standing on my feet. You can take everything I have. You can break everything I am. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Let me focus on myself. Oh. That was a bad one.
Can't you burp on command?
No. Professional burpers don't burp on command. One down. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? What's the other song? Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. Play with your heart. Got lost in the game. Oh, oh, baby, it might seem like a crush, but it's not from above. I'm not that innocent. I don't know the words.
Clearly. Sing slave.
I'm a slave for you. That's all I know. How about Jonas Brothers? Na 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 na, I don't wanna see no more. I don't wanna see no more. I don't. That wasn't good either. I can't burp today, guys. Blow it down the alley. I think that's all I have inside. Ooh, that sounds like a good song. I think that's all I have inside. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you know I'm looking cute, and there's nothing you could say. But if you get with me, we can do it your way. Hey, I'll delete this once I upload it to YouTube. And after I get 55 views. No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
Shut up. Bye. I love you.